Hi, my name is Reece Roberts and I'm an intern here at Job 242 in beautiful Salkum, Washington. We are currently working on the Cowlitz Falls Barrier Dam Spillway upgrade, and I will go over what that project is and some safety considerations and concerns that we have on this project. This picture depicts the as-built plan set for the weir itself. Weirs are typically used to raise the water level upstream, but in this specific circumstance, the weir is used as a fish barrier to force the fish to use the existing fish ladder. The current weir design allows for the formation of an underwater hydraulic jump, which has led to the formation of the pictured scour. The second picture shows the new design for the weir, which will allow the water to more smoothly transition down the concrete face instead of falling 9 feet onto the concrete apron. This aerial view depicts the construction of the left bank's Stage 2 Cofferdam during the first season of work. This project will consist of 2 total seasons, and this first season we are working on dewatering the downstream section of the left bank, so we can access, repair, and upgrade the concrete apron and weir. The next season's work will have the same objectives, but we will be constructing a cofferdam and dewatering the downstream section near the right bank. Now that I've explained the project, let's go over some safety considerations and concerns on job site 242. This picture depicts the hierarchy of safety controls, which engineers use to determine the best solutions to protect employees from potential safety concerns. This video highlights one of the key access points that employees use to access the left bank worksite. As you can tell from the video, the current slope is very rocky and would prove dangerous for employees to navigate. In light of this, a ramp and ladder access point was installed to provide employees a safe method to access the boat dock and left bank worksite. The 2 ramps shown in the video are connected to 2 landing platforms, which are level and securely bolted to the ground. The ladder itself is inspected daily by a competent person to ensure the boat dock access remains in accordance with Shimmick's high safety standards. Furthermore, the ramps are all equipped with guide rails to provide employees with the necessary third point of contact. This is critical in eliminating injuries caused by slips, trips, or falls. The ramp and ladder system is critical because it completely eliminates the safety hazard presented to workers who would otherwise traverse the rocky slope to access the boat docks. This video depicts the crane operator, Jerry, swinging bulk bags to place in the Stage 2 cofferdam. In this circumstance, Jerry made everyone exit the work platform since his load path was close to flying overhead. Every load path was calculated and pre-planned to avoid flying over the work platform, but in this circumstance, Jerry felt safer having us exit the work platform. This is an example of an administrative control that the crane operator implemented to eliminate the exposure of employees to bulk bags swinging overhead. A further safety consideration taken into account with regards to the crane was the staking and placement of yellow caution tape around the crane. The yellow caution tape and stakes around the crane indicate the safe distance to approach the crane while the crane is in motion, and this is extremely important since the operator has a plethora of blind spots. The stakes and caution tape allow for employees to not get caught unawares by a moving or turning crane, so the operator does not have to worry about wayward employees. This video depicts usage of our new remote-controlled crane hooks that we use to place the bulk bags. A typical crane hook requires an employee to manually interact with the crane hook to remove the rigging. However, this posed a number of problems for us, since the dive team we had would be hard-pressed to safely remove the rigging in their bulky gear. To solve this problem, we acquired a number of remote-controlled hooks that allowed the divers to focus on placing the bags in the correct location and not have to worry about disengaging the rigging from the hooks. This not only increased productivity, but also, most importantly, allowed the divers to primarily focus on their own safety in avoiding pinch points and potential entanglements. These hooks utilize engineering controls to isolate the divers from the hazards associated with removing rigging from the hooks. Thanks for listening to my safety presentation, and for your viewing pleasure, I included a basic time lapse of the work that has been conducted on the Cowlitz River Barrier Dam Spillway upgrade.